Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing about some important questions related to UNO and world panorama. You can pay the attention. See, these are the popular questions. Definitely you can expect for various PSC examinations, bank examination, especially IBPS, then those who are preparing for SSC examination, then those who are looking at technical examination with in that general knowledge will come technical examination, especially some technical examination almost 10% will be GK. At that time you can expect these kind of questions, and also it will be useful for those who are looking for UPSC and various state level examinations. Okay. Anyway, in conclusion, I would like to recommend these questions for competitive examinations. I hadn't added objective question, MCQ, multiple choice. I haven't added. However, we can discuss the answer for individual questions. Moving on to the discussion. First question: the headquarters of International Monetary Fund (IMF) is located in. Where is the location of IMF? It is locating at Washington. You can note down. Is locating at Washington, USA. The headquarters of IBRD. What is IBRD? International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. What is the elaboration of IDA? IDA is nothing but International Development Association. IFC is known as International Finance Corporation, and MIGA. What do you mean by MIGA? Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. That is IMGA. Where is the location of these organizations? Obviously, the right answer is Washington. I can recall the same location, Washington. That is also very important. And you can expect the elaboration also. Sometimes they will ask the abbreviation. Okay, so do remember those abbreviations. Important. Next is regarding the official books. There are different official books. Let us have a discussion on some questions based on official books. Moving on to question number 3. The French official book is also known as Yellow Book. It is known as Yellow Book. You can note down this. Very important. Yellow Book. Sometimes Yellow Book is applicable for dash. It is related. It is also known as French official book. Moving on to next question. An official publication of Italy and Persia is known as. Which is the right answer? Green Book. It is known as Green Book. The right answer is Green Book. Whenever multiple choice questions comes, you may get confusion at that. That's why I'm telling, please recollect and memorize these points. Okay. Official publications of Italy and Persia, that is called a Green Book. Yellow Book is applicable for French. Okay. French official book. Question number 5. Let us see what is in the question number 5. White Book is an official publication of dash White Book. Which is the right answer? It's applicable for China, Germany and Portugal. China, Germany and Portugal. Portugal. Okay, these are the official book and these are the White Book. These are belong to White Book. Latest member of UN as of now. South Sudan is the right answer. South Sudan. South Sudan. And in fact, South Sudan is belong to 193rd member. 193rd member. That point also you have to remember. 193rd. This is as of now, as of 2021. Question number 7. The headquarters of UN is locating in. Where is the location? That is also one of the confusing fact. All will blindly write Washington. It is not Washington. It is locating at New York. New York. USA. New York. Important. Okay. Question number 7 is also important. So please recall and write somewhere else which you can recall during the competitive examination. Then question number 8. The UNO was formed on when UNO was formulated? It has been formulated in the year of 24th October 1945. 1945. Very important question. Okay, 24th October. I have prepared a video on UN. A to Z details about UN, you can recall that particular video. Definitely that will help you out. So at that time I have discussed the same point. Okay, now I just recalled. Question number 9. According to UN, dash year is known as year of indigenous language. Okay, important important term, that means important term which are concerning for languages. Okay, according to UN, dash year is known as indigenous languages. That means in the year of 2090, you have to consider 2090. It is most important for languages. Okay. Uh, then let us discuss about question number 10. As far as the question number 10 concerned, dash year is known as International Year of Pulses. It's of course year of 2016. Okay, 2016 year. This is known as International Year of Pulses. Do remember this. Okay, in this session I have discussed some important concept related to official books, then some part of UN, and some World Bank and related bodies, some questions related to World Bank and related bodies. I hope the session will be useful for those who are preparing, especially competitive examination, job aspirants. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be updating similar kind of videos in the upcoming sessions. Finally, I would like to say thank you for everyone for watching this video.